I came up to Reading trying to get wildland fire jobs.
It's very satisfying after coming back from a fire that you can say that you helped put that fire out and help the community.
We got sent on our first assignment and I thought, I could see myself doing this long term, and here we are.
The beginning of Fire Academy is in January.
Currently in the process of going to spring 2022.
It's going to give us different kind of certifications. I believe we get a hazmat certification, some structural defense certifications. It gives me a lot more than just the basic firefighter certification.
The AmeriCorps scholarships are a huge help, and I'm actually kind of grateful that they have that here at the Seas.
Hopefully the scholarships will be able to pay for all of my schooling. I have one AmeriCorps scholarship and I'm working on my second right now, so I think I'll total out to about $8,000 in scholarships almost.
The physicality of it being tough, but I feel like with the PT that we do every day, on top of that being able to do grade work, all of us, everybody on the fire crew should be able to get through Fire Academy without too much of a problem.
I believe the certs that we got is definitely a good advantage because a lot of people going into the academy are fresh out of high school or youngsters who don't really have too many certifications or experience in the field of firefighting. So it gives us like a level up onto them.
I just got to put in the work and hopefully something good happens.